Hey BGA, it's Mr. Deckard, the Director of Technology here at Boston Green Academy. Just wanted to make a quick video to demonstrate the best way to find and log into ASPEN, as well as show you a few things that you may want to know while you're in there. So I'm going to go to the login screen here in just a moment, and then from there, I know everybody's excited about seeing their schedules, so I'm going to show you where you can go to get your schedules. I'm also going to show you your info section so you can verify all of your information, phone numbers and addresses and such things like that. And then I'm going to show you where you can find your current grades and as well as previous grades, and also show you where you can monitor your attendance records as we move throughout the year. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your internet browser. In my case, I'm using a student laptop, a student Chromebook, like many of you. So you're going to open up the Chrome web browser, just like I did, and go up to the address bar, type in sis.mybps, if I could type correctly, .org. It's going to bring you to the login page. For the user ID, you're going to use your 6-digit student ID number. I'm going to block it out so you can't see who I'm logging in as. And then for the password, the standard format for the password is typically the student's birthday in a month, day, year format. So if your birthday was today, which is September 17th, 2020, it would be 09172020. So even if you have a single digit, you want to make sure you add that 0 in front of it. Just like I did with September. So let me go ahead and put a password in here, get logged in. Oops. I accidentally put that 2020 in there because I just told you to. And it's going to bring you into a home page and just the front. Important parts for you to know here is just this announcement section. If we ever send out announcements, it might be that way. We don't run our daily gradebook through here, so you won't ever see activities and to-do lists right here because we use Jupyter for that purpose. Whenever final report cards and schedules do come out, that typically shows up also right here under this published report section. For most of you though, these are the sections that you're going to be interested in to start the school year off. So click this My Info tab right here at the top. And this window is going to pop up. You notice it defaults to this My Details section. Before you do anything else, I'm going to ask that you scroll up and down on this page right here. I can't scroll up and down because there's actual student information in here that I can't show you, but scroll up and down on this info page and make sure that all of your contact information, such as parent names, phone numbers, email addresses, physical addresses, all that is correct. And if it is not, I'm going to ask that you please notify your advisor so we can make those changes in the system so you receive all the information that you're supposed to and that type of thing. Of course, everybody wants to know what their schedule is right now as we're kicking off this brand new school year. So to find that, you're going to click Current Schedule, and this grid's going to pop up. And most of you have seen this grid in printed out form before. But yours is going to be shaded with different colors to identify the different blocks. And you'll have your whole schedule, A, B, C, D, E, F. Advisory and lunch will be mixed in there. Depending on if you're middle school or high school, it might look a little bit different. So you will use the bell schedule that is also handed out to you to identify which class is which. Teachers are also going to be helping you out decipher those things as well. So that is how you find your schedule. Another thing people always ask me about is their grades in ASPEN. So again, we do use Jupyter grades for our daily assignments and daily grades, and that will be updated with all the up-to-date daily grades. But we do post progress reports and report cards as well as final grades here in ASPEN. And so as we go throughout the year, this will be the best place to find out the students' official grades. If you'd like to see past grades, past year, click this funnel right here and click All Records, and all of that information will pop up, and you can see previous year's grades as well. Another other thing, just real quick, that I'd love to show you real quick is just this attendance tab right here. Same type thing as we go throughout the year. Make sure you're keeping up to date on your attendance and that you're in the loop on that. And you can see previous years the same way by clicking this funnel. So we've seen how to log in, and we've seen how to update our information or view our information so we can get it updated, see our schedule, and see our attendance record and our grades as well. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.